Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. Today we will learn the ayat number 23 and 24 of Surah Al-Baqarah. First of all, I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And if you want that your child learn Quran Majid with proper Tajweed and Kirat, then contact us on our WhatsApp number. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإن كنتم في ريب مما وإن كنتم noon both noon have jazm sign, so we do gunna. Fi raybim mimma ra has fatha sign, so we bold it. Raybim mimma mim have the tashdid sign, so we do gunna. Nazzalna ala abdina nazzalna. This one za pronounced hardly. This one za pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the root of the top two and bottom two front teeth. Ala abdina ain. Ain sound of ain is a pronounced from the middle part of throat. Fa'tu bisuratim min mithli. Bisuratim. As you know, when ra have fatha sign, we bold it, and seen pronounced like a whistle sound. Mim mithli. You better know that when meme have tashdid or jazm, we do gunna. وَادْعُوا شُهَدَاءَكُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ وَادْعُوا do qalqalah on dal because dal has jazm. There are 5 letters qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. When the jazm come on these 5 letters, we do qalqalah. Shuhada'akum. Stretch the hamza because it has long mad. When this long mad comes, we stretch the word up to 5 alif or up to 5 harkat. Min dunillahi. So here we do not bold the Allah word because before the word Allah has kasra sign. The word before Allah has kasra sign. When the word before Allah has kasra sign, we doesn't bold Allah. Okay, so we pronounce min dunillahi in kuntum sadiqeen. Here we bold the sad and qaf because both have green color. You just remember that when the green color comes, we bold the word. فَإِن لَمْ تَفْعَلُوا فَإِن لَمْ join the alif, noon and lam because noon has jazm and lam has tashdid, so we join them together. فَإِن لَمْ تَفْعَلُوا وَلَن تَفْعَلُوا فَاتَّقُوا النَّارَ الَّتِي. So there is qaf which have green color, we bold it and we join the qaf with noon because noon has tashdid, and then we join the ra with lam because lam has tashdid. فَاتَّقُوا النَّارَ الَّتِي وَقُودُهَا النَّاسُ وَالْحِجَارَةُ حِجَارَةُ ha. This one ha pronounced from the middle part of throat. أُعِدَّتْ لِلْكَافِرِينَ kafirin. This one kaf pronounced softly. This one kaf pronounced by touching the tongue to hard part of palate. So this lesson is enough. Allah Hafiz.